Okay, what's up, everyone? We're back. I missed one of those Tuesdays. I had my first kid, and it's been nothing but eventful. I am Ryan Rowley from Simple Vet Benefits, and what I do is I teach veterans about their benefits, specifically regarding VA claims. And also, every Tuesday at 7 p.m., we go over the latest news affecting veterans most. So, today it's going to be more of a rapid fire, so a little bit of a different format, but nonetheless, extremely informative. All right, so let's talk. Congress targets Medicare Advantage double dipping. Bipartisan bills are moving forward to let the VA build Medicare Advantage insurers, directly addressing a loophole where private insurers received $44 billion for VA provided care. Now, the legislation aims to prevent insurers from being paid for services they didn't deliver. And the Wall Street Journal reported that. Now, of course, at the end, or of course, in the comments, I'm going to post up the links to all of these articles. Okay. All right. Next up, the VA rolling back anti discrimination protections. Now, a Guardian investigation reports the VA has dismantled diversity and equity policies, including removing pride flags and dissolving the Office of Equity Assurance. These changes threaten equitable care, with transgender and marginalized veterans already reporting adverse impacts. Nearly 100 members of Congress are calling for immediate action. Now, this was reported by The Guardian. Next up, foreclosure prevention bill signed. A new law authorizes the VA to pay overdue mortgage payments on behalf of veterans facing foreclosure on VA backed loans. Now, this is huge, y'all. Make sure you check this out because this is definitely a great thing for veterans. Okay, next up, emergency assistance will now be offered for financial hardship situations. Now, this matters because it keeps veterans in their homes and prevents post service homelessness. Yeah, shout out for that getting signed. All right, next up, life insurance premiums reduced. As of July 1st, premiums dropped for service members group life insurance, which is SGLI, family SGLI, aka FSGLI, and veterans group life insurance, which is VGLI. Now, this matters because affordable coverage is now easier for more veterans and their families to maintain. Make sure you talk with a professional before choosing any of these plans. I mean, I've heard mixed reviews on all of them. Next up, VA bonus reform, PACT Act crackdown. Now, the House passed a bill banning senior VA executives from receiving performance bonuses tied to the PACT Act. Now, this is pretty big. The funds will instead go to frontline employees, which is well needed. Hopefully, they will hire them back soon and don't let any more go. So, why this matters? It prevents misuse of funds meant to support toxic exposure claims, which I don't know why it was going anywhere else anyway, but nonetheless, I'm glad they found this and they're redirecting those funds where they need to be. Next up, nursing home to home pilot launches. The nursing home to home program reunites veterans with families, and they recently helped a 92-year-old Korean vet a return um, with in home support. Yeah, this is awesome. I hope to live to be 92 at least. Shout out to that veteran. Holding it down. Next up, double payment bonanza in August. Due to payment scheduling quirks, eligible veterans will receive two disability payments in August, August 1st and the 29th, thanks to the 2.5% COLA increase. Now, I guess this is news, y'all. I mean, yeah, it's technically 2 in 1 month, but I mean, we know that the one that comes in August 29th is technically for September. I mean, and then depending on, who you bank with, you're usually getting your benefits a few days early anyway, usually before the new month starts. So take it how you want. Also, caregiver program expanded. The VA is expanding eligibility for the Family Caregiver Support Program now through at least September 30th, 2028, and including legacy caregivers. Check that out, y'all. Burial benefits expanded. Starting July 10th, burial benefits were temporarily expanded under the Elizabeth Dole Act, enhanced benefits for certain, which enhances benefits for certain veterans and their families. Now that's on the VA website. And here's some other notable updates. Senator Moran's Stop Greed Act. The House passed a bill banning senior VA executives from receiving PACT Act bonuses. Now, I kind of already talked about this, but I just think it's big enough to bring up twice. Um, yeah, whenever funds are going in the wrong direction, it's always great that they catch it. So, shout out to them for that. Um, Also, if you want to stay informed and proactive, if any of these issues impacted you or your loved ones, comment below. I'll break them down further in upcoming videos and basically to help you understand what actions you can take as a veteran. And also, here's what veterans should watch out for. Will the VA reverse the diversity policy rollbacks? We'll see. How will the Medicare Advantage reform affect funding? How quickly will foreclosure protection be implemented? We'll see how it goes, but I'm happy to say that positive bills are getting passed to positively affect us veterans. Um, and as always, shout out to y'all for tuning in. Always continue to tap in. I have a few new videos that's coming out this week. Yeah, tap in. Shout out to y'all. Shout out to the Vet Rating Guide alumni. I think it's the best program around to help veterans become more knowledgeable about their VA claims and master them. Whether you want to increase, whether you're going through a denial, or if you have no idea what's going on at all. But anyway, without further ado, y'all have a great week. Peace.